Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is whether you want to master one thing or be good at a lot of different things. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So I saw this video not long ago called Jack of all trades versus master of one, and I thought this was very relevant because he was talking about how you want to master one thing versus a ton of different things. You see, you don't want to be average at so many different things. I always heard that a company that makes a lot of different things are probably not good at one thing. And that is 100% true, but it's also 100% true for all the people that do that. So if you want to, learn how to do YouTube, you want to learn how to do Shopify, you want to do Amazon, and you want to do affiliate marketing, and you want to do all these different things, and then you want to learn copywriting and all these things, then you're probably not going to be good at any of those and not make any money. There are so many people trying to make money just doing all these different things, thinking that you have to diversify, you have to have 7 streams of income, you have to have all these different things, but that couldn't be further from the truth, because even though it is true that you do need to have multiple streams of income, you want to build one at a time. So you want to really master one thing, and mastering doesn't take you a few days, it doesn't take you a few weeks, it doesn't take you a few months. It takes you years to actually develop that skill. So you really want to master that one skill and then be good at it. If you just know how to do YouTube, or you just know how to do Facebook ads, or you just know how to do Amazon FBA, then that's a great thing, because you are going to be the master at that. You are going to be the one to go to when it comes down to it. But if you try to do all these different things like all at the same time, then nothing will work. Obviously, if you master one thing, then you can move on to the next and master that one after. But you don't want to learn both at the same time, because that will just kill your productivity, that will kill everything that you're trying to accomplish. So you really have to focus on one thing. What I do is I do affiliate marketing. This is the most important thing to me. I've done some other things in the past, but this is what I'm focused on. So making YouTube videos and affiliate marketing, this is what I'm working on. That's a single thing, it does go together, but that's what I'm doing and I'm mastering. If you do a lot of different things, then that will not work. That's why I don't do Instagram, even though I have an account. So if you want to reach out to me, I will respond on Instagram, but I don't ever post there. Will I post in the future? Probably, but I don't post right now, because I figured that if you focus on one thing, that is what's going to bring you the result. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.